change. Today you just cop up with me. We will just do it. Take out your classwork note. Good morning to all. Now, children, um, learn to write cursive because you know how to write cursive. Only that you have to use. Even if we change the letters and all that, you use the same thing. Okay. Tomorrow, ma'am will try to change all the written work. Okay, I'll give you the script. Now, pick out your EVS classwork. A new page. Jonathan, how are you, Jonathan? Shashwat, 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 good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
I
ma'am.
hope all would have sent the assignment. If you haven't done, please do it neatly. It should be in your own handwriting. Okay. Okay, now let's see what we are going to do today. Now again, we are having Animals Are Friends lesson. Now 1 second, children. I want, F is not there. Sona, can you tell me what did you write in your classwork in EVS, Sona? Dictation words, then Sona. Yeah.
That, ma'am.
Effie or Sona?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the next Roman number in your classwork note. What did you write?
Ma'am.
Okay, Effie, tell me, what did you write? Dictation words?
We wrote to the last, fill in the blanks.
Okay, very good. After fill in the blanks, now we are going to do Roman number 3. Okay, just see. Don't worry if it's wrong Roman numbers. You just see, okay. Now, Effie, how many fill in the blanks have you written?
10, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, take a new page. Don't write anything else. Write animal or friends. No need to write because that's a lesson name. Write Roman number 3. So now, just try to adjust with the letters today. Ma'am will change it. Okay, ma'am will try my best to change all this tomorrow. Things we get from the following animals. That's a heading. Okay, it's not necessary for you to write all the answers at once. You can think. Actually, I wanted you to tell me the answer, but you all know the answers. Write the heading in a new page, new line. First line. Things, T. Things we get from the following animals. Yes. Just write, don't write all the answers, write only that question. Okay, now you have written, children, don't be in a hurry. Rida, listen to my instructions. Roman number 3, things we get from the following animals. Slowly, neatly. By now, all would have known all the answers. Yes. After that, leave one line and write 1 to 7 numbers.
Yes, good boy.
Okay. Right. You write cow, C-O-W. You can write even the small letters, no problem. C-O-W, cow, don't write the answers. G-O-A-T, goat. Hen and duck. Sheep, yes. That is capital S, children. How you learned, you can write, okay? Honeybee. Silkworms. Neatly the questions. Yeah. Usually ma'am will ask you how to write. Now let me see how you all are writing. Yes, Cyrus, did you write the questions? You can write your own. What are the things you get from animals? For cow, you can write anything. Milk. See, actually the main thing is milk. Okay, things we get from this milk. With the milk, we make so many things. So you don't write curd for what we get from cow. You must write milk. Very good. From this milk, we make curd, paneer, butter, all that. Okay, children? So you don't make mistake. Things we get, you don't write curd and all that. We make things out of milk. We get milk and meat. Shashwat, did you write the question? What is wrong with Sri Mukulan's? What happened, ma'am? Sri Mukulan's mother? Let him write. Sri Mukulan, show me the notebook. Sri Mukulan, now you must know how to write by yourself. What is it? Show me the notebook. I cannot see anything. Lift. Where is today's work? Write the answer straight. Okay. Parents, I'm telling you, I will see to them. I'll take care. You do your work, parents. Don't waste your time. Children will learn. See, when you all are standing there, you all are disturbing them. And they are very good. They know what they have to do according to their age. We are not going to teach something in college. We are teaching them how to do things. Otherwise, when they come to school next year, the teachers will suffer. Let them do. See, Sri Mukulan is getting angry because somebody is disturbing. You don't worry. So now tomorrow ma'am will change all the cursive. Okay, so now because see children, what Sona is telling is right. You must have learned one kind of writing. When you see something else, it will be difficult. But you don't worry. You use the same thing. So ma'am will send all that in print script so that you will understand better. Cyrus, can you see the screen and recognize all the letters? Okay, never mind. Some children won't be able to do it. Okay, Effie, have you done, Effie? The things we get from the following. Let me see. Yes,
Finished,
Nathan,
ma'am.
are you there? Yes, things we get from the following animals. From cow we get milk. Goat also milk meat. Goat milk is very, very good for health. Even small children, they take goat milk, but I don't think it will be available here. In villages and all, they drink. Hen and duck, both give eggs. Even meat, children. Sheep, wool. Honeybee, honey. Silkworm, silk. Skin of dead animals, leather. See that skin? We just take the skin of dead animals and with that we make so many things. You know all these things, but I don't want you to make mistake, okay? Now, 1 minute. You can write this slowly, and I just want to see. Anandit Archand, where are you? Yes. Cyrus G, you must write neatly. Little more. That small thing should not be there. Straight you write. Okay, ma'am will teach you special class time. Once again, we'll have to do one course. Sri Mukilan, what is wrong with you? Why he is getting? I'm telling, they are not listening. Sri Mukilan, please sit properly and I need you to have your pencil in your hand. Okay. Okay, Jonathan, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, children, 1 minute. Some children are not attending any class, but they send the assignment, and that also with somebody else's handwriting and all. I don't like all this, okay? You have to write in your own handwriting. You have to complete the work. Now, let me see now some children. Adonia, are you there? She sent the... Yes, Abhisha. Okay, I'll go to the next one. 1 minute. Yes, Abhisha, 1 minute. Abhisha, just read 1, 2, 3 from the screen. Cow, milk, like that.
Cow, milk.
Yeah.
Goat, milk, meat.
Very good.
Hen
Hen and duck.
and duck.
Eggs. Okay, very good. That's enough. Enough. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
Akshaya. Akshaya. Why she's not attending the class, I don't know. Akshita MP. Akshita. Aratrika, read 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Aratrika. Yes, Aratrika.
Sheep, wool.
Yeah.
Honeybee, honey. Silkworms, silk. Skin of dead animals, leather.
Very good. Now, children, I think all must have completed this. Everyone. Now, 1 minute, I just want to tell you something. Ma'am sent a mail telling that there will be an activity on Friday. Just check your mail and get the things ready, children. Okay? About some dry leaves and all that. You just go through it. Tomorrow you must tell me whether you got the mail and the things you needed. Everyone must do it in class. Don't color anything and bring. Everything should be done in class. You cannot color something and keep it ready to just fix it. No. We are going to do that maths period and EVS period. We are going to club and we are going to do the activity. You get the material ready. I don't want any parent to draw and color or do it.
What material?
Yes.
What materials do we have to get, ma'am?
Now, who's that now? Tell me who asked that. When I'm asking nobody, I think it was Ansh. Children, but Ansh, you have to be present today. You'll be getting a call from the office. Okay. Yeah, they're calling you. You're not picking up the call. Now listen, you have to see to the mail. Everything is written clearly. Tomorrow I will ask you whether you have checked your mail to get the material ready for Friday. Friday, we have 12th Friday. We are going to have that activity. Is it clear to you, children? No need to send the mail to any office or to me or anything. You just check your mail and see the things you have to get. For Friday, you have to be present. Otherwise, you will be losing 10 marks for the activity. See, Sri Mukhilan, I don't know what to do. I have to inform principal, ma'am. He's not. What did I tell you just now, Sri Mukhilan? Repeat. What are we going to do on Friday, Sri Mukhilan?
Ma'am, you told to be ready for the project work.
Keep that book down now. Notebook down. Yes, project. That activity. You have to get the materials ready only on Friday. Nothing should be done beforehand. Whether you are painting or coloring, whatever you're going to do, you have to do it in class. Okay, Ansh, get ready. Now let's see. Let's see the next one. Is it clear to everybody? You just go through the mail, then you will know. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now, once again, I'll read this. Cow gives us milk. Goat, milk, meat. Hen and duck, eggs. Sheep, wool. Honeybee, honey. Silkworms, silk. Skin of dead animals, leather. Now, take another page and write Roman number 4. Things made from the following. Then leave one line. Write leather, leave one line. Wool, leave one line. Silk. Things made from the following. Because
Ma'am, what is the 7th one?
Children, skin of dead animals. Skin of dead animals. Please write soon. Once if I change the page, you don't ask, I will go back later, okay? You can leave that space. Skin of dead animals, leather. These are the things we get from animals. Things we get from animals. Now, let them write this. You can leave that line alone. After this, we'll go back. Things made from the following. That from the following means leather, wool, silk. We make shoes, bags, belts out of leather, sweaters and blankets with wool, saris, shirts, anything with silk. Please write neatly, leaving one line.
Ma'am.
Turn off your mic, Kushagra. What happened?
Ma'am, I can leave 3 lines. I have place and write, ma'am.
No need, Kushagra. It will be hard because you got enough and more pages. Write in a new page, easy to read. Okay, you got enough and more pages. Only 2 more months for the for second standard, so you don't have much to write. New page, no problem, Kushagra. That's up to you. Turn off your mic. Who's that talking there? Abhisha, are you writing? Tridip, so keep your book down, Tridip, and write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Somebody's talking. Yes? Johan, what happened? Johan wanted something, I don't know. Children, I will just go back to the question if I have time. Effie, did you write Effie? No. Effie? No, see that? All can see. Okay, do it. Right. Effie. Johan, what happened? No pages. Johan, speak loud. He's asking. Children, those who do not have notebooks, I mean those who finish writing in the same notebook, you can take it and continue because we got 2 more months, we can complete everything. Okay, you got enough. I think you got extra books with you. Any book, any notebook you can use.
I have only 4 pages.
Johan, you say something and finish it off. I'm not hearing it. Say loud. His turn. What happened, Johan?
He says that he just has 4 pages.
See, Juansri, you don't say let him speak, Juansri. He's just turning on his mic, telling something and going back. How will I hear? Let him say. Let him say, Juansri, do it. Because there will be some problem with the system. Put. Sari. Nice. Yes, children. Write neatly. Cyrus, read and tell me what we make out of leather. Leather. Now, Jonathan Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do we get leather? How we make leather? From what? Leather.
We make leather. We
From
get leather from dead animals.
Skin. With that skin now. Very good, Jonathan. Skin of dead animals.
Dead animals.
Okay. Yes. Now, Rida, can you tell me what do we make out of milk? Milk. It's a general one. I don't know whether it's there.
Cheese.
Yeah. Curd. Okay.
And ice cream, ma'am.
Okay, ice cream. Okay, Rida. When you speak, you must speak
Thank you, ma'am.
well. Okay. Abhisha, what do we make out of the wool we get from sheep?
Sweaters and blankets, ma'am.
Yes, sweaters and blankets. Dhruv.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruv, tell me. One
Ma'am?
minute. I'll show the question. 1 minute. What do we make out of silk? Silk.
Saris and shirts.
Anything, even the your sari, shirts, that many material you make, and with that you make chudidar, anything, okay? Any dress, but what is shown there? Okay, please write neatly. Write neatly, everybody.
Hello, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, Lokesh,
Yes,
madam.
yes, ma, tell me.
Ma'am, Lokesh, Madras, ma'am, class, ma'am,
I can't. It's not clear, ma. Tell me.
Madras, ma'am, Lokesh.
Okay. Go through
Ma'am.
the recording later. Okay, ma. Take care of him. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Children, please be careful. Don't get sick. Now he got that red eye. It seems Madras eye. They said. So must be very careful. Okay, if you're sick also, if you're having some problem with the eye, wash your eyes with cold water. Hope all are keeping good health. Kushagra, how are you, Kushagra?
Man, fine, man.
Yes, after cutting your hair and all, you're looking good. All must be neat. Yes, all. Cyrus is laughing because he finished cutting his hair long back. All must be good and all are looking nice. Boys are looking handsome over here. Girls very pretty. Only Sri Mukulan is unhappy always. The face is so big. What happened, Sri Mukulan? Sri Mukulan, your father is not there with you today. Yes. That's why he is angry. See that he's smiling away. See, that's the problem, children. You must know how to attend the classes. See that without any help. Sri Mukulan, sit up straight. Such big boy every day, I must tell you. See, you must be independent when you do work. I always tell all my children are independent, except one or two. They are doing things by themselves. Parents are not disturbing, or not disturbing the parents too. So, parents got it. Okay, turn off your mic, Tridip. Okay, now, everyone have finished writing. What happened? No, it's here something. Yeah, now it's okay. All would have completed both the Roman numbers. Okay, things we get from animals and things we make out of the following things. You must learn all that every day's lessons. Ma'am won't be telling do this, do that. And in between, I'm asking questions, oral test, Mendel maths test, all that will be done. Okay, learn the tables daily. Now, who did not complete this? Where is Shaina? Shaina, Sona,
Yes.
were you be able to write, Sona, these things? Sona's not answering.
I'm Shaina, ma'am.
Okay, Shaina, 1 minute. I just want to know. Sona, did you write, Sona?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just write today's work. Okay, tomorrow ma'am will see to it. Shaina, please read things made by
Roman number 4. Okay, ma'am. Things,
Yeah.
leather, shoes, bags, belts,
Yeah.
wool, sweaters, blankets,
Yeah.
silk, saris, shirt.
Yes, very good. Children. Now, Kushagra, please read all the three. And you have to learn the spellings as you write. Kushagra, read all the three.
Leather, shoes, bag, belts,
Yeah.
wool, sweater, blankets, silk, saris, shirt.
Very good. Shashwat, please read all the three.
Yes, ma'am.
Leather.
Leather, shoes, bags, belts,
Belts.
wool, sweaters, blankets, silks,
sarees, shirts.
Very good. Now, children, we are just finishing this lesson. Whatever you write, you have to learn the spellings. You have to go through the headings, learn everything, and don't forget to complete English. That's very, very important. Any 5 pictures, write only 1 sentence. Don't write all together. Picture, sentence down, picture, sentence down. 1 page you have to write 2. Tridib, your mic is always... Okay, wait. That disturbance is coming. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, let it be. Now, children.